Okay, so this will just be a quick lecture on the assembly of the two parts. It's not necessary for 3D printing, of course, but yeah, if you'd like to have the assembly available, we can work on that in this lecture. So let's come up to the top. Let's go on plus, go on a new design. And we're going to click on the 9 squares at the top to open up our data panel. And then within there, you should have the two parts that you've modeled already. So yeah, depending on where you save them, if you could find that location. For me, I've got phone modeling tutorial and phone stand tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and put in the phone stand first. So we're going to ground this to the parent file. So in this design, let's right click, select insert into current design. In terms of orientation, I'd like to rotate that by 90 degrees, like so. Let's press OK. Looking good. Let's go ahead now and add in the phone. Right click on the phone, insert into current design. Okay, I'm just going to drag that away, press OK. And now we can use the joint command to position this in the center of the stand, and then we can adjust it manually. Set J on the keyboard, and let's hover over this face. And in terms of the most logical joint, let's go for the one in the center. And then if we rotate, look at this face, we'll match that with this center point here. That's looking okay from the right side. So we need to bring it up on the stand. So use the arrow in this case. And we're just going to draw that up until it's in contact. Just about so there. I'm going to click OK. Have a look at that. That's looking nice. Yeah, that's looking good. I'm quite happy with that. So as per that joint, the phone is centralized on the phone stand. That is our complete assembly. Nice that we've got the logo in the back there. Just going to hide the object visibility under joints. I'm also going to change the visual style. Let's go on shaded. And let's go on the camera, go on perspective look. I think that's looking quite nice. Let's look at that from the right view. Yeah, that's looking good. Okay. There we go. That's our complete assembly. And so in the next lecture, we'll move on to exporting these as an STL file. And then if you'd like to 3D print these, that's entirely up to you. Okay, so nice and easy lecture, and I'll see you in the next one.